guest leader of this outfit for a year. It's an appropriate place to make the speech I'm about to make. I attended Mass earlier today and prayed for Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg and her family. We know how hard that is, to watch a piece of your soul absorb the cruelty and the pain of the dreadful disease. I spoke to her daughter and her granddaughter last night. By tradition, a person who dies during the Jewish New Year is considered, that was Ruth Bader Ginsburg, a righteous. And it was my great honor when I was in the Senate and chairman of the Judiciary Committee to preside over her confirmation hearings and strongly support her accession to the Supreme Court bench. Justice Ginsburg achieved a standing few justices have or ever will. She became a presence in the lives of so many Americans and a part of our culture. I agree with what others have said, that she did as much to advance the constitutional rights, opportunities, and justice for women as Justice Marshall did for Yes, there was humor in mentions of the notorious RBG and her impressive exercise routines. But there was so much more. She was, to use an overused word, a trailblazer, a role model, a source of hope, and a powerful voice for justice. She was proof that courage and conviction and moral clarity can change not only the law, can change our culture, can change the world. And I believe in the days and months and years ahead,